got us an airplane trip. Hurry up. You're taking too long. Come on, honey. You're just being rude. Okay. Is everybody ready? Yeah. Everybody in the plane. First stop. Please. This is so exciting. I feel lonely. Whatever. Let's get going. This is taking a long time for me to walk. Oh man, this plane looks interesting. Well, let's go in. Now this is what I call fancy. Why is there a kid here? It doesn't matter, only if the chairs are stable. I'm so sorry to say, but there are only one that is stable. What? That means we have the worst seats. Even this one. Well, it doesn't matter, at least if we have a seat. You're right. Why? I'm just going to sleep. Telling me the plane is over. Oh, just tell yourself. Oh, yeah. This is where I call goodness. Oh my gosh, my hair clip. My hair clip. Oh, I lost it. You're gonna just fell. Oh man. I'm going to find a different seat. Move over, people. This one? Oh! This one? Why? I guess I'll take this one. It's like the best seat here. I feel bad for her. No, that's what I'm talking about. At least I could just sit down. Everybody should do this. Ah! No! Please! I only moved. Okay. Ah! Honey, why did you do that? Well, I'm sorry. Okay, I can't just control myself. Just need to sleep. Because it's so early. Well, it's not going to be uploaded early for the editing. Ugh. I guess I could have a different seat. I'll take this one. Ah! Ah! Oh, come on. Come on, please. I'm just going to sleep. Hey! I don't know who does that. Welcome to American Airlines. And today, we don't have any specials, but we have some snacks. Special snacks. Maybe your dinner. For I don't know how long we're going to be riding this plane. So, how about that? So, I guess that's all. Yeah, bye-bye. Bing bong. This is the worst. Come on, don't fall, people. About 5 hours later, somebody will be bringing the food up right now. Enjoy. Yay! I hate this job. Why? How did you hear me? That's the best hearing ever. Okay, shut up. Okay. So, I'm going to be passing out one by one. So, does anybody want a water bottle? Not a water bottle. Does anybody want a water bowl? Me. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Come to Papa. Weirdo. I'm just a fish. I don't care. Now, who wants the bone? I do. Okay. Here you go. Oh my! Move. Okay. Why? Oh, come on. Give me my thing. And mine. I wish they had something good around here. I'm going to sleep. I don't want anything. Okay, does anybody want strawberries? Oh, me. Stop moving. The airplane. That's called turbulence, honey. Okay, so here's your strawberries, I guess. She's rude. Okay, this is my personal favorite. So who wants a sushi? Who wants a sushi? Ow. And later we're going to be serving the same thing, but if it's the same people, I don't know what to do. So, who wants sushi? Me. You're quite young for it, but okay. Here you go, sweetheart. Thank you. Ow! Oh my gosh, I hate you. She's coming back soon. I'm glad I'm the last one to get my stuff. Makes me feel so special. Ah! I'm just trying to set myself with my food. Oh, come on. Come on. I hate you, chair. Now we're talking. Not everybody will want this, but who wants a water? Me. Here, sir. Okay, whatever. I'm not picking that up. Do I really have to get all my teeth for this? Yeah. Ugh. Well, at least I have something. I thought they said they were serving pizza. And there's one more thing, pizza. Will you move out of the way? I want the pizza. Okay, honey, you're gonna have to wait a little bit until this fat guy moves. Oh my gosh, you're so rude. Okay, honey, I'm here with your pizza. Here, honey. Here's your pizza. I'm not gonna put it like exactly to you. See you in another 5 hours with the same foods. Oh, this is not the life. Well, ow. Well, at least I have a pizza. And I have my bone. Who knows where the bathroom is? Please tell me. Ugh. It's to your left, where my girlfriend is eating her pizza at. You know, and I need to get a diet. So here's my diet. You didn't need to tell me about that, but okay. Thank you. Oh, I need to go big. I'm going to steal something. This. That was good. And I don't feel guilty about it. Okay, people, you better be done with your food because, I'm picking up your food now so I could remake it because because this is a cheap airplane. Give me that. Oh my gosh, I was just getting a diet. Shut up. And you can keep that. Give me your bone. Geez, you're so rude. Especially because I'm a dog and you're a cat. Exactly, woman. Okay. Is that everybody? Hey, give me your pizza. Ugh, just take it. Thank you. Why is this like a cheap airplane? We had so much money and we spent almost all our money for this. $500. Well, hon, you gotta understand it. Okay, I'm going to use the restroom. Ow! I don't care. Why me? Okay. I mean, it can't get any worse, right? Later, little woman. I'm going to sleep. How do you just float? Shut up, woman. I'm your girlfriend, and you are always polite to me. How dare you be so rude? Shut up, woman. Oh my gosh. I want to call 911 on you. Now time to finish my story. Where's my strawberries? Nowhere. Okay.